One great thing about a dive watch is its versatility, but the moment you bring in a red dial, things can get a bit more complicated. Hi guys, welcome to Watches with Abdullah, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Orient Ray III. So let's dive in. One thing I do admire about Orient is that even though they're owned by Seiko, they have their own design language and style, which sets them apart from Seiko. With over 70 years of experience, you get quality watches from these guys even at their entry-level pieces. Now, a red dial on a dive watch is not something you see every day. Maybe it's because red is just too striking and grabs all the attention. And I guess this is why many people might not think that a red dial offers the same level of versatility as a black or navy blue dial. This red dial changed my mind. This watch just looks so absolutely amazing in person. The red is at that perfect sweet spot where it's not being flashy, but just attractive enough to almost an elegant level. The watch comes with a manual hand wind in-house movement with 21,600 vibrations per hour and 40 hours of power reserve. You get a day-date function on a white date window, which kind of blends in with the white hour markers on the dial, a glossy black unidirectional bezel with a solid turning action. It may feel a bit stiff when turning for the first time, but once you start turning, it's actually quite smooth. You get a good overall control over the clicks when rotating the bezel. This is not a ISO certified professional dive watch, but with 200 meters of water resistance with a solid screw back case and a screw down crown, you can wear it while swimming without any issues. The watch comes with a 22mm wide stainless steel bracelet with a deployment clasp and push button release, along with micro adjustment. As for the quality of the bracelet, it's quite expected at this price point, but you can find a large variety of 22mm straps for this watch. The watch retails at around $200 in Malaysia, but you can find it online for a bit cheaper, around $175. I'll share the online link for this watch down below. The watch comes in a standard stainless steel case and a mineral crystal. With a case size of 44mm and lug to lug of 50mm, the watch does wear slightly larger on the average wrist. But with only 13mm thickness, this is still one of the slimmer dive watches or dive style watches out there. There's definitely a minor risk factor when it comes to watches with red dials, but the design execution of the Ray III is so amazing that, in my opinion, the value proposition of this watch beats the risk factor by miles. Yeah, you might not be able to pull it off with a suit, but the combination of red, black, and silver just kills it without overdoing it in the least. If you're in Malaysia and you're looking to buy this watch, do check out the link down below because that link offers the best price that I could find for this watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Do let me know in the comments what you think about red dials on watches and would you ever wear them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.